Most website advice out there is, well, kind of useless. You've heard it all before. Make it mobile friendly, use keywords, optimize content for speed and performance, blah blah blah. Look, that's the floor, not the ceiling. You already know that. But if you want your site to actually stand out, to feel human, to connect with your audience, you need to build something that responds, adapts, and shows that someone cares. Hey, we're Is Hosting, and we're not here to just rent your server space. We're here to help you build a stronger online presence, starting with your website. Stick around, we've got a promo code for our hosting services at the end of the video. But first, let's get into 6 website moves no one's talking about. Ways to turn your site from a product shelf into a real conversation tool. Ever tap a button and it wiggles? That's a business saying through design. I see you. Those tiny responses aren't just for show. They build trust and spark connections. In fact, 70% of users feel more engaged when interfaces react visually to their actions. It's like a digital nod, subtle but powerful. Duolingo nails this with playful animations that make learning feel fun and rewarding, not robotic. Want your site to do the same? Try this. Add smooth transitions between sections to guide users naturally. Use hover or click animations to make your interface responsive. Give post-action feedback, like a little "well done" after a forum submission. These tiny touches shift your site from static to responsive. They keep your users curious, and that's what keeps them around.
Well done.
Imagine walking into a store where the staff greets you by name and actually knows what you like. Feels great, right? Online, the same rule applies. When your website tries to talk to everyone the same way, it ends up connecting with no one. Personalization turns broadcast into a conversation. It works because relevance grabs attention. Just look at Spotify Wrapped. It's personal, shareable, and wildly effective. It's no surprise. Personalized sites convert 35% better than generic ones. Want your site to feel more human? Try this. Highlight local voices that your visitors relate to. Mention real-time events in your industry or global moments your audience cares about. Reflect culture. Think Halloween, Olympics, Earth Day, or trade shows. Whatever's timely and real for your audience. When your site reflects someone's world, their place, time, or mindset, it doesn't just promote. It builds connections that no network can replicate.
Connected.
Want people to stick around? Surprise them! Most websites go straight from A to B, but when you hide something unexpected, a wink, a reward, a little secret, you invite visitors to play. That small twist can turn a quick scroll into a longer stay. It works because predictable is forgettable, but surprise, that creates delight, and delight builds memory. Think about Google's hidden gems, tiny moments that bring huge brand warmth. Want to try it on your site? Add a secret keyboard combo that unlocks a fun message. Reveal hidden animations when users tap just the right spot. Include seasonal Easter eggs like pumpkins in October. Just keep it light. This isn't an escape room. It's a moment of joy. The goal is to surprise, not stump. That clever little twist might become your signature.
Very clever, Tony.
Ever walk into a store and someone casually asks, "You finding everything okay?" It's not pushy, it's just a small helpful nudge. That's exactly what micro-questions do on your website. They check in without interrupting the flow. It works because quick feedbacks makes your experience better and your users feel heard. Take a one step, "Was this helpful?" button, for example. Brilliant, it takes a second and delivers insight. Microsurveys get way more responses and better ones. Try things like, "Have you found what you were looking for after a product section? What's missing when someone hesitates?" Keep it light, one click is all it takes. Because asking the right question at the right moment, that's how conversations start.
Well done!
Ever land on a website and wonder, is this still active? If the last update was a while ago, yeah, people notice and trust drops. Your website should feel active, not frozen. A simple update that says "we're building" also says "we're here, we care." Think of the What's New section in the App Store, which is short and to the point. Talking about regular updates builds trust and keeps people coming back. Try this. Add a Now page or casual changelog to share what you're working on. Share behind-the-scenes progress. Keep it honest and human. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up. Imagine walking into a room that's too bright, too loud, and no one lets you adjust anything. Online, many users feel the same way. Customization is optional, of course, but accessibility is non-negotiable. Giving users control keeps them around. It's a way to show respect. 75% of users with disabilities leave if a site isn't accessible. Want to fix that? Try to implement this. Add a dark light mode toggle, let users adjust font sizes, offer a high contrast mode. When people can make your website work for them, they feel appreciated. Your website isn't a billboard, it's a conversation. It helps you listen and adapt. Use it well. Thank you for watching the video so far. Enjoy your promo code at checkout and get an exclusive discount on your hosting plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful videos about websites and hosting services. Tell us in the comments about your website experience and what you'd add to this list. You take care of the website, we'll take care of hosting. Bye!